Look at that. Here's a little quick update. And that guy's getting it real good though. That sucks. They're completely flooded, which really sucks. Got the tower over there. Water's moving pretty fast though, not gonna lie. Look at that guy. That really sucks. Yeah. It was right there. And he's getting it all. That really sucks for that guy. Go see what we got on the other side here. Real quick. Oh yeah. It's moving all right. Oh, look at all that got flooded now. All the way over there. That sucks. A lot of water here. Jeez. It's pretty intense. Is this even recording? Yeah, we're recording. Look at that. That really sucks. Just keeps going and going. Got a trash bin right there. Oh yeah, it's a lot of water. Jeez. It went up a lot in the 3 days. There's probably some crazy flooding in somewhere in Europe, everywhere. Look at that. All right, well, instead of the snowboard, I should take out my surfboard and go surfing. It's crazy. Look at that. Let's just go down for a second. Let's just go down for a second and see it. Boom. Well, that sucks. Water sucks. Water's a bitch.